That baby not real, it's not in him. Send him a letter or kill him. Close that boy door, we dismiss him. I done got two guys.
Yo, what's up guys? I really just wanted to make a little video about this cool plugin that I just found that is almost a replica of the Signal program, but honestly, you know, better. So I want to show you guys that right now. Follow my Twitter. promo. But yeah, so we have the Signal plugin, which replicates like analog VHS footage, but then we have something even better called NTSC. It does realistic analog like filters. It's a really good simulation. Really good. I think that all of y'all should use this in your videos coming up. So if you want to download it, you want to go press, I'm gonna have this link in the description. You want to click the link down below. It's gonna take you to this page, this GitHub page, but you're focused on this place right here. And then where they have an After Effects plugin, click right here. It's gonna bring you here, and all you gotta do is download for whatever you have for After Effects. But you're really gonna want this right here, and it should download it. I already have it downloaded, that's why it shows like that one. So all you gotta do is extract the files. After that, you want to go into the folder, and you're gonna find the plugin right here. So you're gonna copy it. You're gonna go to wherever you have like your program files are. For Adobe, you go to the After Effects folder, support files, and you want to go to plugins. Paste it in here. You'll be able to access it on After Effects, and you will be able to achieve the effects that I have shown you. Okay, before I wanted to end the video, I wanted to show y'all, it being used in After Effects. So if you want to find a plugin after you add it, you want to go to Effects and Presets, or give Video Copilot and just do a control space, and it'll bring up this. And search for NTSC, and it'll be like NTSCRS, and click. And it adds like this VHS effect, what I think looks really.
You smile at them.
Boy. Like it looks so nice. And some things you can do, you can turn off tracking noise, this thing at the bottom. I don't know about head switching. Actually, yeah. What's ringing? I don't even know. I'll keep going. Chroma noise. But yeah, it just has this nice VHS effect, which I think looks really authentic. It's not like uni.vhs by Universe. Like, see how this just looks? I don't know. It has a nice little aesthetic to it, but it's just not what we're looking for. And I feel like if you really want a VHS look, you want to use this plugin right here. Like, it's authentic and it looks great. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, guys.